We've been trying this for years now. How can this work? Trust me. It will work. Yeah. Just like we tried with the China episode, and don't bring that up.
Well, potato heads.
Oh, Jefferson, what are you doing here?
Just making sure that your
Stuff is up to date? What do you mean, stuff?
remember our agreement
With your loan papers regarding this building. I expect to be paid. And you will once we get this stuff open. Yeah, about that. Listen, you had better come through with the down payment. Give us about 6 weeks. 6 weeks? Yes. Look, I am a banker. I don't do 6 weeks. 30 days. Well, I think we're gonna have to do something about him too. I heard that. Ooh. Yeah. If you guys are thinking about doing something that you shouldn't, I will have the police down on your potato head tucuses faster than you can say French fries. You know what? I could easily revoke your loan agreement, and this building will go bye-bye. Well, actually, no. It'll go to me. We won't let that happen. Oh, are you threatening me? Look, this is a construction site, Mr. Banker. And where's your hard hat? Where's your hard hats? You know what? You're asking for it. Don't threaten me. Remember, I am the banker, and you, potato heads, owe me money. And I will have it. Have a good day. Okay. How many days has it been? Well, since we signed the papers, it's only been 2 days. So that means we have 28 days left. Yeah. How much money do we actually owe him? 32 grand. Uh-huh. And how much are we paying to fix up this place? 28 grand. So that means we have only 1,000 grand left for... Well, that's the key, Mr. Potato Head. The reason why it's only going to be 15 grand is because I am not putting in a fire alarm system. You're not putting in a fire alarm system? Exactly. So, there's nothing to worry about. Oh, in case you guys are wondering, guys, I already signed off on a fire alarm installation. You... What? Yeah. It's going to be installed today. But we don't want a fire alarm system put in. Tough turkeys. It's my money that you guys are spending. And if you look on page 3, paragraph 2, alpha 1, it says, all new buildings are required to have fire alarm systems. And I personally installed the new system. It's a notifier system. Those systems cost a lot more than a silent night system. It's my building. It's not your building unless we forget to pay our mortgage. Well, if you look on... That's it!
Hey! 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 You hit my...
Okay. Call up that fire alarm service and cancel the installation of the fire alarm system. We don't want that system. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, there has been a slight problem with the fire alarm system. We need to cancel. You will? Great. And as for you, you silly banker, take your cell phone too. What? Ouch! Hope you like the bars, you silly banker, because you're going to be looking at those. Oh, you potato heads are in deep, deep trouble. Yeah, sure. Just you wait till you hear from our lawyers. What? Who's going to call them? You don't. You're in the jail cell. You won't have anything. Oh, what I am gonna do to you when I get out of here. You're not getting out. You are getting out with a flip. Oh, we'll see about that, Potato Head. We'll see about that. And when I get out, you are going to owe me $152 million. Yeah, sure, if you get out. Potato Head, come down here, please. Do you realize the amount of hot water we're in? Mr. Potato Head, you have little faith. I have everything under control. Yeah, you had everything under control until you put the banker behind bars. What if he gets out? We're going to be in super scalding hot water if this plane goes down. Okay. I guess I'm going to have to prove it to you. Come with me. All right. Those nitwits. They obviously think that they outsmarted me. Huh? We'll see about that. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah. Yeah, Charlie here. Listen. The potato heads have gone back on their mortgage. I want you to come and evict these two turkeys. You will? Great. But I honestly for the life of me, Potato Head, I don't understand why you're doing this. You want to get Bob and Chief's fire truck, right? Yes. But putting us into debt, risking our skins, putting a very powerful banker behind bars is not my idea of a good plan. You've got to trust me.